Hello everyone, my name is Kush and in today's video I will be going to show indexing and negative indexing in Python. First of all, what is indexing and negative indexing? In indexing, the first character of the string has value of 0, the second has 1 and so on. It starts from left and ends till right. In negative indexing, the last character of the string has value of -1, the second last has -2 and so on, and it starts from right and ends till left. I will be explaining more further about this topic in this video, so please watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you could get notifications of my new videos on time. Okay, so let's get started. Friends, your first step is that you have to type any variable. I am choosing A and type double inverted commas and type any text you want. I am typing Python. Then move to next line, type print brackets and then type the name of your variable and then use square brackets and type the indexing value. For example, 1. Please note that if you don't use square brackets while indexing or negative indexing, the code won't work. And let's run it. It is showing Y. Now why is it showing Y? It is so because the first character in the string has value of 0, the second has 1, third has 2, fourth has 3, fifth has 4 and sixth has 5. So this is how normal indexing works. Now let's try with another example. The computers with print bracket, name of the variable B, square bracket, and value of your indexing. I will be typing here 5, for example. Now let's run the code. It is showing T. That's why it is showing T in the console. Now let's start negative indexing. Type variable, then double inverted commas, your text. Next line, print square bracket, and in negative indexing you have to type the value by negative integers. For example, I will be typing -1. Okay, now let's run the code. It will show Y because the last letter in the string has the value of -1 in negative indexing. The second last has -2 and so on, and it starts from right and ends till left. Now let's try negative indexing again. D, subscribe, print D, square bracket, -5. Now run. It will show C because the last character is -1, second last -2. It starts from right and ends till left. So the value will be, so in the console it will show C. So this was all about indexing and negative indexing in Python. Friends, how was my video? I hope you liked it. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.